Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language exercise 1.3 sixth sum. Using the set symbols, write down the expressions for the shaded region in the following. So this is your first sum. You have to find out what is this. In this diagram, outer portion is not covered. So there is no problem with the whole dash. So only y is covered. What does it means? We need y, we don't want x. So we can write it as y minus x. We need y, we don't want x. We need y means you should write y, we don't want means minus x. So your answer is y minus x. Your second sum, the diagram is like this. The outer portion is shaded. So it is related something to whole dash. So they omitted this portion, the circle of x and circle of y. They omitted this portion and after that they have covered this portion. For example, roughly I'll write like this. For example, the diagram may be like this. So they omitted this portion and after that they have drawn this diagram. They omitted the both x and y. So what is the meaning of this one? They want x and y. So the meaning of this one is x union y. X union y. Now they have omitted this portion and they covered outside. So what is the meaning? Meaning is x union y whole dash. So what is meant by x union y whole dash? Universal minus x union y. Universal minus x union y means we want universe, we don't want x union y. So we are omitting this portion, we are covering the remaining portion. Do you understand? X union y means covering x and y. Omitting this portion, we are covering outside. Related to outside means you will get whole dash. So what is the meaning of x union y whole dash? That is universal minus x union y. We want universe, we don't want this x union y. Omitting x union y, covering other gives you x union y whole dash. A third question. Here, the middle portion is not covered. For example, if y is not covered, what is the meaning? We need x, we don't want y. For example, only x I am going to cover. So what is this meaning? I want x, I don't want y. Next, I am covering only y. What is the meaning of this one? I want only y, I don't want x. Now look at, I want even x minus y and y minus x. So I am going to cover this portion and I am going to cover this portion. So I want this x minus y and y minus x. If I want, I'll write it as union. So the answer is x minus y union y minus x. So outside we don't have any portion, no. So it is not related to whole dash. Thank you, children.